Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I want to show you guys how to recognize or see your search terms on Google Ads. As we know that on Google Ads, we could bid some keywords. You can go to your left panel here, and then you can see the keywords here. This is the keywords that I bid. So this is we input on Google Ads, that like telling Google Ads, hey Google Ads, here are my keywords, please put some ads, put some link on of me on that keywords. But the thing is, Google Ads or people not search exact these keywords. Sometimes it's typo, sometimes it were like add another keyword or something. So we have to know the real keyword that our audience type in on Google search. So what you have to do, you just go to your campaign, and then here you can see insight and reports, and then you can see this is search terms. When I click this one, it will be showing you the real keyword that showing your ads, that literally real keywords that our user input on Google search. So from here you can see the real keywords, what's on their mind. And then the most important things, I think, if you find some keywords that not relevant to your ads, you can add the negative keyword for your ads. So later your Google Ads will not showing the keywords that you already added to negative keyword. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope you can uh, you can follow it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.